और आजकल जो मेरा बेटा भी आजकल बहुत लाइन मार रहा है किस पे, तो उसको भी बोला ही देता हूँ गर्लफ्रेंड को। कहाँ है भैया? अनुष्का जी आइए प्लीज, आइए, वेलकम। और मैं अभी जेंटलमैन है तो उनको, फरहान साहब प्लीज ऊपर आइए। फरहान साहब, फरहान अख्तर साहब प्लीज आइए। रणवीर साहब ओवर टू यू।
आज की खास दिन पे मैं चाहूंगा कि फरहान अख्तर अपनी मधुर आवाज में कुछ गा के सुनाए।
रणवीर that was not in the plan. डमशराज खेल रहे हैं, इनकी आवाज चली गई है। Dear members of media, please may I request you to take a seat as everybody here वो भी देखना चाहेंगे और मिलना चाहेंगे इस फैमिली से। सबसे पहला सवाल मैं अनिल सर आपसे पूछूंगी, since you're the head of the family, मतलब आप किस किस्म के पिताजी हैं कि अपने बेटे को प्लेन के लिए शादी करवा रही है? वो क्या हो रहा है? प्लीज जरा ये ट्रैक समझाइए। मैं प्रोमो देख देख के थक नहीं गई, मतलब क्या हो रहा है वहाँ पे?
You see, अभी तो शुरुआत है, बेटे को प्लेन दे रहा हूँ और पिट दूंगा।
You know, I think there is one lady who I can't stop complimenting, that's Shefali ji. Every time you've come on screen, maybe please clap for this gorgeous, gorgeous and an ultimate actor of another order. To play this wife, जिनके husband मतलब acting mode में आ जाते हैं. What is that whole thing about him saying, अभी क्यों acting कर रहे हो? Did you think every time a husband compliments a woman, it's an act?
I don't know about others, but we, yeah, it's kind of, we're very good actors at that. So, yeah.
And playing the mother to two of the most notorious actors that there are out there.
The-
Most fun,
may I
mad.
just say
Yes, yes.
that shot was an outtake. It's behind the scenes.
असलियत निकल आई।
अच्छा, बिफोर वी यू नो, मैं अपने सर इन लॉ को भी बुलाना चाहूंगा स्टेज पर। प्लीज प्लीज वेलकम मिस्टर राहुल बोस। राहुल बोस। अब पूरा परिवार जो है वो कंप्लीट हो चुका है और
Yes. Shivali ji, you got to answer that question. Everybody is in love with these two and they are your kids. क्या किया आपने? How is it playing their mom?
Actually, it's not very different from being a mom to my 11 and 12-year-old. They're equally notorious, so felt completely at home.
अच्छा, natural था, बहुत ही natural
Absolutely.
था। And for the voice, ladies and gentlemen, Priyanka Chopra finally sings in Bollywood. PC, what did it take? Everybody told us कि आप rock star हो, आपकी आवाज़ क्या है, फिर आप वहाँ जाके गा के पहले आ गई, ऐसे कैसे हो गया? मतलब या हालांकि आपने एक्चुअली साउथ में पहला गाना गाया था आपका, बट दिस इज सो योर वॉइस। You got to go for it and tell us कैसा था experience? वो भी शंकर एहसान लॉय के लिए, come on.
It was incredible. Actually, the idea came up at a party. हम लोग Zoya, Ritesh, Farhan, I remember everybody. We were just talking कि अच्छा फरहान भी गाता है, पीसी भी गाती है, गाना होना चाहिए. And suddenly SEL made a song and suddenly Zoya said आके गा दो, and Javed Saab had written the most difficult lyrics in the world which I can never remember because there are 13 words in every sentence. And every time I'm asked to sing it, I only say Dil Dhadakne Do.
Whoa!
I don't remember the rest. Yeah, with the wave. Yeah, and Anushka does But Farhan had always been very encouraging to me to sing ever since we had done Dawn actually. That I should sing a lot more, and that's exactly what he did this time too. And I'm super happy Zoya gave me the opportunity. So it was great.
Hey, so let's watch the song क्योंकि आपने आपकी सिंगिंग के साथ एक गाने में अपनी डांसिंग को भी मैच किया है। I request all of you to take your seats. Okay, I think this has happened because कंप्यूटर थक गया लेकिन ये लोग नहीं थके. Clap.
Come and take a bow, please. Yes. So we were deciding, and he was like, there are so many Punjabi songs shot in the industry all the time. So what are we going to do to make this different? And it's a family, and it should seem like a family that gets up and dances, and someone's actually shooting it with a video camera. So let's just do it in one shot. I was like, how is that going to be possible? And then came in the next stars, Bosco Caesar.
Carlos, Carlos, how many cameras did you have there? Or was
One camera,
And you managed that.
one take, one camera. Yeah.
That's crazy.
सबसे पहले मैं प्रियंका जी से माफ़ी मांगना चाहूँगा क्योंकि काफ़ी लोगों की मैंने टांगें तोड़ी, इनका लिप्स फाड़ा मैंने, तो आई एम वेरी सॉरी, हैड जस्ट गॉट कैरिड अवे। बहुत सालों के बाद गाना मिला मुझे, गाने आजकल कोई दे नहीं रहा मुझे तो मैंने जावेद साहब ने कहा यार मैं गाना लिख रहा था, बोला यार सरकार आप अपने आदमी, आप मैंने रिक्वेस्ट किया उन लोगों कि आपका भी एक अंतरा होना चाहिए। बोला थैंक यू जावेद साहब, बहुत सालों के बाद गाना मिला तो मैं थोड़ा डेस्परेट हो गया थैंक यू।
रणवीर, जब बचपन से हम लोग सुनते थे दिनादिन धा, हाँ तो क्या क्या मन में आता है दिनादिन धा सुन के? झकास, राम लखन, एजी ओजी। तो अभी आपका यहाँ दिनादिन धा होगा और इनका, हालांकि आपने बहुत सिचुएशंस में हमको बचाया है रणवीर। You and Anil sir are going to do the Dinadin Da from then to now. Are you ready?
Just did it.
No, फिर से.
And whose idea it actually was has also done it with us. Ratan, encore हो जाए.
Can you display with Dinadin Da, please? One last time. I promise. One last time.
There was a little section
जी.
that Zoya and Bosco left up to us.
जी.
The basic premise is each one has to suggest a step and the other two have to follow.
हाँ.
So Ratan has suggested that we do the iconic step. So we have gone for it like there is no tomorrow.
All right, then let's see what you have recreated in that new andaz with the new singer couple here right now, and we're going to see that one. Pehli baar. Are you ready for that one?
Yes, absolutely.
What an amazing note you've hit there. खूबसूरत लिबास पहना है. क्या है ये? Please explain. A lot of people are here to know about the style quotient today.
Just check now one second. I'm not sure.
ये आपने किसी पाकिस्तानी एक्ट्रेस की वीडियो तो नहीं देख ली थी जो उनके साथ ऐसे होता रहता है अक्सर?
नहीं, just check please.
कुछ नहीं चेक हो रहा है, but
Acha, but it's a really good outfit. Thanks, guys. Thanks a lot. And this designer is great. I just didn't check the label.
I wonder आप इस क्रूज में एक्चुअली परफॉर्मर हैं, लेकिन असली परफॉर्मेंस तो वो करके जा रहे हैं, एंड इतने ठुमके तो एक लड़के ने भी बॉलीवुड की हिस्ट्री में नहीं लगाए जितने कि उनके लगाए कि वो
Ranveer can't take it. मतलब गाना बज रहा है, he has to dance. मतलब he has to dance for everybody in the room also. So that is like you have to give it to him. That's his birthright. You know?
to match. I mean, of course, ever since you've come into the industry, it's been about you and dance. लेकिन to dance with this man must be another level. तो इस वीडियो में दर्शक हाँ इसको करने दो, अपना दिखाने दो, जलवा, फिर मैं आती हूँ. Was it something like that जब ये actually shoot हो रहा था?
Actually, it's very interesting. Bosco season and Zoya decided कि हम लोग ज़्यादा choreography नहीं चाहते हैं इस गाने में. काम ना रणवीर, तू भी खड़ा हो जा मेरे साथ. तू भी तो है गाने में, है ना?
इस वक्त मुझे थोड़ी शर्म आ रही है.
No, he's feeling damn hot. He doesn't want to sweat anymore. उसकी good looks खराब हो
इस
जाएंगे.
वीडियो का मुझे जवाब देना पड़ेगा.
So they didn't want too much choreography in this thing, so they just let Ranveer and me be, and it's sometimes it's
dangerous.
it works.
It's very
dangerous. It can get dangerous, but then they controlled us also. कि बस ज़्यादा नहीं मत फैलो.
हाँ ज़्यादा. That's what Zoya had to do in the whole film actually, to me at least.
People talk about J-Lo's.
बस मैं और कुत्ता.
Over. हाँ.
हाँ,
Sorry.
इन दोनों को ज्यादा कंट्रोल करना पड़ा है ना जोया.
Kutta was very well controlled. Zoya, there's no doubt about. Dog was very well trained and controlled.
उसको बिस्किट दो तो काम डाउन हो जाता है, मुझे बिस्किट दो तो ये हो जाता है.
Okay, since she couldn't tell us about her outfit, I've heard that you were very excited about yours. I think we should all clap for Ranveer for giving us pure, sheer entertainment with the way he dresses. He does. He does.
Thank you. Actually,
you entertain with the way you dress. What is that?
सोचो, नींद में भी मैं एंटरटेन करता हूँ. We have actually won the most stylish film award last night. कमाल है, पिक्चर रिलीज भी नहीं हुई है और अवार्ड्स आने लगे. वाह रितेश साहब, वाह 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 वाह.
No, but this is self-designed, or did somebody did that for you? What is it like? You know,
Silex
Silex.
is the name. मैंने चेक किया था.
Thank you so much, the two of you, जावेद साहब, क्योंकि आपके कैरेक्टर्स बहुत ही अतरंगी हैं. उनके कैरेक्टर पीसेस से आपने
नहीं अलग ही किया, इसलिए कि कहानी अलग थी, कैरेक्टर्स अलग थे, सिचुएशंस अलग थी, तो म्यूज़िक भी अलग ही हुई, गीत भी अलग हुए. एक गाने में ज़रा 13 वर्ड हो गए थे, उसका प्रॉब्लम ज़रूर हुआ, मुझे ख्याल रखना चाहिए था कि भाई जो 13 तक गिन भी नहीं सकती उन्हें 13 वर्ड कैसे दे दिए.
How mean.
That's only provided everyone in the film has to sing with us. Is that a deal?
Woo!
पहली बार तुमको मैंने जब देखा था, सुन लो यार, ओ मैंने क्या सोचा था, लगा के तुमसे है मिलना तबाही, इस दिल को ही समझाने मैंने कहा इस रास्ते ना जाना कभी राही, ये तेरे लिए है ही नहीं, दिल मेरा बोल उठा, होने दो अब जो भी हो, डरना क्या भला बुरा, होने दो अब जो भी हो.
क्या दिल की सुन ली तुमने, क्या राह चुन ली तुमने, हाँ दिल की सुन ली मैंने, हाँ राह चुन ली मैंने.
Thank you.
Sukriti Kakkar and Siddharth. Now this young energy.
You have no reason to believe that whatever I am saying is totally objective, and there is no emotional connect or any subjectivity about my opinion. But the fact is that I know I am stretching my neck out. I'm making a statement with certain responsibility. Generally, we talk of our past and get nostalgic. क्या ज़माना था, कैसी फिल्में बनती थीं, अब तो साहब पता नहीं क्या हो गया. That was the golden era. Believe me, times where film like Dil Dhadakne Do are made can be called golden era.
Zoya, you're the best!
And this is my honest, objective opinion. This was my opinion after watching Udan. This was my opinion after watching many films nowadays, which did well on the box office and had certain standards, certain sensibility, which is totally unprecedented. This is a film I would like to congratulate everybody, every artist of this film who has worked on the screen, behind the screen. Their work is exceptional. And I am saying it with certain responsibility. I know I'm making a big statement. Believe me, it is an exceptional film, and I would like to congratulate Zoya. I would like to congratulate Ritesh and Farhan for producing this film, and everybody who's involved with it. Well done. I am really proud of all of you. Is that good enough, Priyanka? Thirteen is an unlucky number.
behalf of Excel Entertainment and Jungly Pictures, this was a fantastic brunch afternoon, and thank you so much for being here in full attendance. And there's lunch being served. Please.